Hello friends, myself Shiv Kumar. Today we are going to learn a project. So what actually we are going to do in this site? So first we want to automate this HSVP site and we extract the data from this site. First task is log into this URL. We will log into this URL. Then extract the data. So the user or the client specify the area or the table from where we need to extract the data. Once we extract the data, then we have to save the data in the Excel, then log out from the portal. So it's clear. So first we have to log in this portal. After the successful login, we have to extract the data, and after the extracting the data, we need to save the extracted data in the Excel, then log out. Then the third task has come: read the data which we extract from the portal, and on that base means first we create a table, and after that we learn the filtration activity like a filter data table activity in the UiPath. Based on the filter result, we got some ID. Then on the base of that particular ID, we have to find out the desired result. Once we get all the details, then final result we will save to the output Excel sheet. So this is our portal, and when where we extract the data, this is the table from where we need to extract the data in, and we got the option name, registration start date, registration end date, and detail. So when we click on the view, we have another pop-up window. From this pop-up window, we have to find out the base price, EMD value, or minimum bid price. So after this, we got this like auction ID, size, sector. This is our first result. In first go, we find when we run our bot, in the first go we got this detail, and from this detail, this is the only the Faridabad and the Panipat base. So after that means from the main sheet we got only Faridabad ID. After this Faridabad ID means we got the auction detail, auction ID. We got the auction ID. On the base of this auction ID, then we are finding the remaining detail like base price, EMD value, or minimum value. So let's run a project and see what actually we are doing. Let me delete this output C. Now I've deleted the output C. If I run this project, I have already built this project, but I will explain each and every activity one by one to you. So after this you are able to understand what activity we use and how you can build the same process. So first it's open the web portal. Then first task is log into this web portal. About enter the detail and the login. After the login to the web page, it extracting the details. Now the bot log out from the web portal. First task has completed. Let me check the output. We got the output, but this output contain all the cities like Panipat, Badruga, Karnar, Ganjava, Panchkula, Ambala, Kaithal, but we want to only the Faridabad city. Let's continue for our process. Bot will open the window, the government side. in this window, bot will try to search the auction ID, and is typing the auction ID and click on the search button. Once the result is pop up, then click on that particular result. From this window, bot will find out the base price, EMD value and minimum budget. Similar task it will repeat for the rest of the auction ID. I'm not waiting to complete the task, I'm just closing this, because bot will repeat the task until the auction result will not end from that table. So in the upcoming video I will explain the each and every activity in the detail, how we complete this project. So if anyone require the source code, please let me know in the comment box, so I will provide the source code. If anyone require customized source code, then please connect me and write your comment on the comment box. Thank you.